taking a little fucking break. You know what I mean? It's about to go down, you guys. Dropping the K member. Sauce is like a little bitch, just watching, not helping. Put it right here in the front, Yup, son. 2 there, 2 over here. 1 over here. Right here on the top.
You can't fast forward this shit.
There's what? Okay, 2 over there and then 2 over here too. So there's 4 on top, and then.
My boy, the fastest G8 on the bay.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you say your shit?
Yeah. This is fastest GA in the bay. Hit him up. We need 3 people. 3 people to fucking carry the K member. Oh. Saz, that shit almost fucking failed and Saz was just fucking looking at me like, oh, what the fuck, what's going on? Like a little bitch. What the, you seen it almost fall? Fucking bitch. Don't smoke weed no more. Look, te pendeja la verga, güey, straight up. Oh, now it's to take the fucking...
I gotta take these off.
Oh, those?
Those are 15?
Yep, 15s. And the headers bolts I'm in some 15, so and I have to take this and then the header bolts 15s, and then disconnected from there right here, this side. Yeah, we go from there. Oh shit, it's right here.
I'm not playing over here.
The magnet life. Even with the light, but it's not working. What the fuck? No mames, you smoking this Bammer shit?
Someone nice and like es al revés, way. Like you treat someone nice, and they take advantage of you, but then you treat them like shit and they're there.
Hey, they want it.
That's true.
It's crazy. Like that.
Oh yeah, in Moscow. Yeah, that's true. Your boy's getting you on camera.
I give this girl hello, love and attention. That girl fucking.
And the bitch you treat her like shit.
Yeah, in the true way, straight up, fool. Yeah. Fuck.
I think it's true too.
Fool, I think all the fucking women are the same. Fool, todas son iguales putas. What do you think?
That's disrespectful, right?
Oh. Nah, wait. Is it? Fuck. Okay, I take that back. I'll take it back. I'll take it back.
What?
What I just said.
Hey, check out this neon light though. Look at the light up.
Ooh. Sale Snapchat. ¡Ah! ¡Ah! Pinche collona la verga. Mira nomás. Pinche tragona otra vez. Sas, ya no fumes, güey. Te pones bien pendejo a la verga.
Paint the hood white.
Wait, dicen que if you blow it on your ear, you get high, a ver. Fuck. Fucking dirty my fucking hat. Fuck. This side is on already. I'm about to torque him down to specs with the fucking hand specs. Is that Teddy? Yeah. What happened right here?
Fucked up.
What is that, a socket?
Man, I don't know what the fuck was it doing.
Oh, it's at size 13.
It's a wrench.
Yeah. And you're fucked, you don't have to leave it there.
No. He threw Brian under the bus. Brian's
This way out of them. This way out of them.
This one Brian
Oh, I just ate one. Brian ate one. This way out of them.
I didn't eat shit.
I only got like
I only ate 3. You ate the rest.
Hey. Oh, and he ate the 12 tacos and the fries and the chicken nuggets. Damn.
Hey,
the nuggets was funny as fuck though, cause they were his. I was like, it's too quiet.
Y'all in the car.
Sasa Kaira todavía bien sleep. Hurry up, Sas. Help him, fool. Damn, don't smoke again, fool. Sas, muévete, güey, muévete.
Uno más recording. Oh, come on, Jesse, lift it up. Nomás allá.
Jesse, necesita otros 10-piece chicken nuggets. Push Jesse on your leg.
Suéltale, no se cae.
Oh, whoa, I don't know about that. Damn. Sas, ahorita no le digas nada a Sas, güey. Sas on the gun. Look at him. Look at with his hands in his pocket, güey. No mames.
Up.
Yup, more up. K-member about to go in, you guys.
Come on.
Dale, Jesse. Dale otros chicken nuggets, al güey.
The valve is leaking, my nigga.
This is all the way that it goes up. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, whoa. Hold it.
Hey, what the fuck?
¿Qué tanto miras, güey? Pinche estás nomás mirando a la verga. Cuca, no, si tuviera la Cuca aquí, no. Qué cuarrillón ahorita, güey. Con la pinche Cuca. No, no, ándale, cabrón, muévete, cabrón, no, hombre, no. Ni. Oh, shit. Nah, this one sucks at camera, fool. Now go on this one. This way.
Oh,
Let me get an extension. Follow me.
Yeah.
Follow me. Let me get a long extension. Okay. And then there's two over here. Next is this the fucking the traction bar, but that's the big gun right there. See Teddy? That's a big. Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm using a small fucking gun.
Whoa.
Hey, whoa, what the fuck you doing, Jesse?
You backed into me, bro.
You need some more chicken nuggets?
I'm down.
Ahí está, ahora sí. Ese también. Record this.
Drop that one?
Yeah. Because, I mean, the K-member. Oh, no, you know what? Oh, yeah, no. Yep, it's on.
Hey, so
Right here.
Chocolate, what the fuck you at?
Hey, record me.
I thought you guys already called him.
The special tool for taking out the fucking O2 sensors. Damn. All professional. Wrong way, my boy. You tying that bitch.
Gonna crack. How's the cop? Hey! Hey! You can't do shit though. It's a proper coverage. Where at? Send nudes? Oh, what? You seen that? Bro.
Oh yeah, let me see that shit. Hop in that shit in. Hop in. I want to see that shit.
Nah, bitch, get out.
No, you go. Rev it.
Don't let this fool get in the mustard.
Yeah.
Head gasket, bro. I got warranty.
That's just sick. Gang with the boys. All right, you guys, so we're about to put everything back together. Huh?
I doubt it. Serge, you leaving or what?
No, I don't know. You already got everything over here? Let me help you on the other side. Where's the gloves at? I'm fucking tying the fucking la barra estabilizadora.
Okay, guys, I'll be Moscow for today. So I'm putting the tire on, shooting it.
Yeah, okay, finish it.
So yeah, you shoot it with the gun, and it should be good. Oh man. Your camera, fool. Bring it. Ooh.
A ver, ya Jesse, ya ven.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so you do this.
We're doing the passenger side now.
Dile que es uno cross.
Yeah, you go cross pattern.
Star pattern, homie.
What else? The gun shoots about 100 foot-pounds, but you still gotta verify.
Hold the rim. Look,
Oh yeah,
too much
look.
power, too much
Holding
power.
the look, my white ass hands.
Too much torque.
I'm black for the day.
Look me with gloves.
Ooh, alright.
Alright.
Fucking piece of shit.
What are you struggling? To plug it?
I won't go.
Fuck. You got the O2 sensors tying. Just need to get this one real quick. This little motherfucker's eating again. Damn. Estás allá, era. Empendejeando nomás. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Look at who came through. We're about to turn this bitch on.
Yeah.
Yup. Damn!
Turn back up for when he revs it, bro.
Yeah.
The Note 8.
Oh, new phone, let me see. Oh. Ah, old memory. Wait! Hold up. Got it. Sounds fucking stupid loud.
I'm waiting for him.
Alright, you guys, we're doing some fucking donuts.
Damn.
Launch it, launch it, launch it. E-brake, e-brake.
Marvin.
Prius.
Shit. Sas. Sas is still here?
That was sleeping. Look at him. He don't even know what's going on. I don't know if you guys fucking remember this beast. The Prius, the Mauver. When we switched that was fucking motor.
Hold up, hold up.
Wait. Hey, wait. Ahí está, wait. Go a little bit forward.
A little bit forward, right there.
Ahí está. Go. First. Go. No. Go. No, go forward. No.
One-legger.
Nah,
just
do
do
both.
it, so it's slid.
Oh, ahí está mejor. Shit, washing the hands.
You seen my hands earlier? About to make them look like new. No gloves.
No gloves needed. Just washing hands. Alright, you guys, so this is gonna be it for today. Sas is already sleeping. End the video, Sas. End the video. End it. I'll break this motherfucking finger, bitch. End the video. End it. End it. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys like my video next to my boy Sas. Like, subscribe, and yeah, comment whatever you want. Comment what you think about this fucking almost hit your face, fool.
Fuck.
Alright, you guys have a great night. Let me know what you guys think about the 5.0 though. That shit fucking sounds stupid loud. What do you guys think? What do you think about the 5.0? Yeah, too loud though.